Hello everyone, my name is Camille. I'm the owner of Morfosoaps. Thank you for joining me with this soap making video today. Now, if you are new to this channel is related to Morfosoaps, our family business. It's a small family business. We do handmade soaps, bath and body products, and we also do candles. I invite you to subscribe to our channel if this is something that's interesting for you, and also to check our website for our listed products for supporting our business. So today's soap is the making of Galactic Grape Soap by Morfosoaps, and this one is scented with Galactic Grape Fragrance oil. Believe me, the smell is divine. If you like the grape smell or those drinks from childhood or even the bubble gums with the grape flavor to them, so this soap is for you. You have to try it. It really smells like them. Now, with the technique I used, or the design I used in the soap, was a simple in the pot swirl technique, and then I did a piping on the top. But the piping that I used this time was different from the usual. So if you watch the piping and you have an opinion about it, you like it, you don't like it, please let me know in your comments below. I would really appreciate a feedback. That was the first time I'm trying this type of piping as well. So on the top of the piping, we did 3 little embeds on each bar of soap for like little grape shaped embeds, and they're soap embeds. And also we finished with the biodegradable glitter on top of the soap, just to give it a little bit of charm to it. So ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Galactic Grape Soap by Morfosoaps. I really hope you enjoy watching it. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and maybe share it with a friend. This will help us. And if you like our soaps, go ahead to morfosoaps.ca and you can purchase the soap or any other bath and body product from our website. We would like your support as well. Now, until next week, I'll see you again with another fruit. Take care of yourself and enjoy yourself, and I'll see you again. Bye for now. soap.